This is DataMagik. It is your universal upload tool for Plex. It can add, update, delete just about any record inside of Plex that you need to transform data across. It can take your web service credentials and then any existing data source that is enabled for your PCN. It can take that data source. For example, here I'm going to pick part and attributes add update and select that, and I'm going to generate an Excel upload template on the fly. I can download that template here, and then I can open up that template. You can see here I have 404 parts, and then I can take that file and then immediately go to uploading this data right into Plex with no custom coding required to have this data source, which is an API, to take my Excel worksheet, upload this right into Plex. And as you can see, we are quickly uploading this data into Plex here at a rate of 10 a second or so, again, depending on your network connection. And it returns back to DataMagik your upload results. Okay. This can operate in a single or a routines-based mode. The routines-based mode here allows you to orchestrate multiple data sources together so that you can take your parts and your routings and then upload them in the correct order so you can stage your files, walk away, come back, and then they're already ready to go, ready for you to use either in test or production. The other really awesome feature of DataMagik is that it can upload as well custom fields inside of Plex. This works in a very similar way. You can select your custom field. In this drop-down here, you can download another Magic template, which gets generated dynamically from your custom field definitions inside of Plex. I can take my custom field documents here and then take these and then upload them right back to Plex here. And that's DataMagik in a nutshell.